So let's first correct phrase. So please type the correct version in the chat box.
Okay, you should see a table in front of you. At the top is labeled noun, adjective, and the quality of. Yeah?
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Okay, so the nouns and adjectives in the table there, you've seen them before. So it's kind of a little warm-up for you. The ones that are nouns, can you see if you can write down the adjective for me? The ones that are adjective, can you try and create the noun?
Okay.
All right, see what you can do.
Just focus on the first two columns, right?
Exactly, yeah. Don't worry about the last one for now.
Okay.
If you're done reading, please take a yes on Zoom. Mm-hmm. Wonderful.
Now, socks. Okay, repeat. Socks. Socks. Yeah. Now I'm going to draw the socks. Christmas socks. Oh my God. They are a little different. They are striped. They are good, Pedro. Come on. My socks are beautiful.
So we're going to take a look at a couple more phrases, and I would like you to fill in the gaps. So you will need to use annotate. So please check if you can draw anything on my slide. Mm-hmm. Yeah, please make sure that like you have different colors. You're using different colors. Mm-hmm. Okay, Dima's color is purple. Okay, wonderful. So can you please clear what you've drawn?
Control.
Thank you. Great. So here are the phrases. Please fill in the gaps. So you can draw or type right on the slide.
Oh. How can I hide our pretty faces?
I'm not sure where you have them.
Right on the top of the sentence.
Just move. You can,
yeah,
just move this window.
Move them.
Yeah, because I can do it with pencil. Okay.
Hi.
I can see two versions of the first phrase.
We say take was the first one, right? And then took, taken. So, because we have three forms. And then we have swim. What do you think the forms are? What's the past of swim?
All right. So, is you took a taxi is a new irregular verb.
Very good.
Okay. So you're going to work with a partner, and I'm going to open. I'm sorry. I'm going to open breakout rooms now.
We can speak about it for forever.
Forever. I'm sorry, but you only have 3 minutes to do this.
Oh.
Right. So let me open the rooms. Okay, so please join them.
So